a lot is, how do I search a specific Delica number on your website? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hop over to offthebeadedpathbeadstore.com. And if you scroll down, you'll see here on the left-hand side of the page, you'll see the category where it says seed beads. So if you click on that little button there, the first thing I want to show you is when you click on size 11 Delica beads, you'll notice here that they will pop up. And right now, if you look at the top of the page, it says sort by. So right now, these are sorted by best selling. If you click on that little drop down box, you can then change the look of the page. So I can click newest items, and that is going to show you the newest items that I have added on the website. You can go to best selling. You can go to A to Z. It's completely up to you how you want this to look. Now, on top of this, I'm going to reset it back to best selling. Right now, you see we've got a grid form here. If you're on a computer, if you look here, you'll see this little red box. This means it's in grid form. And if I click this little box next to it, that is going to put it more in an itemized form like this. So you have two options of looking. But now when I get ready to search a specific number, I come up here to the search box. And the easiest way to do it is to put your DB number in quote marks. So I'm going to put the quotation mark and I'm going to put DB, let's say galvanized silver, that's number 35. So I'm going to put in 035 and I'm going to end the quotation mark, and boom, it immediately pops up right there. Now, I did want to show you, if I just put in DB035, okay, right now by putting in quotation marks, we get 3 results. If I put just DB035, you get 107 results. So it's easier to put them in quotation marks. So now let's try DB200. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. Immediately, I get 23 results. My DB200 pops up here, but also DB200 is listed specifically as colors of Delicas that I have used in these kits. So another one I'm going to try, DB 2176. Okay, you'll see it pops right up, and when you click on it, you can see there. Now another thing you can see is right now you can see the stock of how much there is. And these colors, if you look below, they recommend other colors that people sometimes buy with DB 2176. So easiest way, again, to search is make sure to put your DB numbers in quotation marks, and you will get a much smaller result field when you are searching for Delicas.